वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल नीलू's क्लासरूम और कुछ नया सीखें। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल नीलू's क्लासरूम और कुछ नया सीखें। माय मदर्स नेम इज whatever your mother's name you can write it. She is a very hardworking homemaker. She is my inspiration. She is my first and best friend. She was my first teacher. She teaches me good habits and moral values. She cooks my favorite dishes. She helps me in my studies and homework. She takes care of everyone in our house. My mother is most beautiful lady in the world.